Over the past month, we've shot down more than 100 targets. We're an interceptor crew, working on intercepting aerial targets like Shaheds, Gerberas, Lightnings, and reconnaissance wings, including stuff like Zala, Zala Cub, Supercam, Orlan, and similar drones. Some crews work directly close to the front line, others at medium range, and some way back in the rear.
If a target comes in from the enemy side, you still see it from the very beginning.
Yeah.
Those enemy targets that couldn't be taken down by interceptor drones, unfortunately, keep flying farther on. But that still doesn't mean they complete their mission, because farther down the line, other forces and assets of the 1129th Bilet-Cerkva Anti-Aircraft Missile Regiment start hunting them, including this British-made Stormer vehicle right here.
This is a very effective, solid machine. If something enters our sector, there's a 90% chance it gets shot down.
Two types of missiles, LMM and HVN. Mostly we work with LMMs. They're more effective. Attention, LMM launch.
The HVN is designed more for larger targets. It deploys 3 dart projectiles. Against the Shahed, since it's not that large, it's less effective. The LMM is more effective.
This machine has shot down every type of target. Shaheds, reconnaissance drones, strike drones. It's taken down targets like the Lancet too.
The guys even had a case where they shot down a cruise missile.
Attention, LMM launch. Target destroyed.
Right now they're using cloud cover really well. They fly straight along the cloud edges. Because of that, they're hard to detect. They immediately start maneuvering. Basically, the main thing is not to lose the target. Sometimes it takes a second or third attempt to line up on the target.
Sometimes the weather gets in the way. Fog, rain, that interferes with us.
So purely weather conditions?
Yeah, weather conditions.
And both during the day and at night, it's easier for you to spot them? What's the main advantage of using drones for protecting the sky?
Cheaper, first of all. Fewer people are involved in all of it, I think. One crew can both prepare the drones and directly operate them. We can track a target, wait until it leaves a populated area, so we can destroy it somewhere out in a field.
Plus, the fact that these drones can be landed.
In case we identify a friendly target, say one of our reconnaissance drones, or if we fail to identify it, or somebody else shoots the target down before us after we've already taken off, that happens too. But once you launch a missile and the target's already destroyed, there's nothing you can do.
Well, you can't exactly land a missile back on the ground, can you?
Yeah, exactly.
Mobility. We can move quickly to any point. Visibility is better than from a drone. It's harder for them to spot the target. We've got a thermal imager here, and also a daytime optics system. Plus, we've got armor too.
Lancets have hit machines like these before. As you can see, this vehicle also took a hit, but it's still alive. Just left a scar behind as a reminder. I was covering backup in one settlement. The guys were driving in for rotation. Unfortunately, a lightning drone came in. This was all that was left. I rushed over immediately, picked them up, and got them straight to the nearest aid point. The vehicle burned out, unfortunately, but the main thing is the guys survived.
Right now, it's almost like a competition with the FPV drone crews. They're positioned closer to the front line. They detect Shaheds faster.
Sometimes 3 or 4 crews launch on the same target. Whoever spots it first reports visual contact. Everybody else waits while he goes in for the intercept. That's how things work in our sector, so there's no, let's call it, chaos. And accordingly, if we engage the target and hit it, we report that it's been destroyed. If they say the target is still being observed, then another crew finishes it off. If we see the target and interceptor drones are already trying to take it down, even in good weather we can see those interceptors detonating while the target keeps flying. Then we finish it off afterward. If the target enters our engagement zone, then we destroy it.
Attention, crew, LMM, launch.
Being the first to spot that target and shoot it down feels a whole lot better than watching someone else destroy it, of course. And when the monthly results come in and you realize your crew took first place, yeah, that feels good. To be honest, the interceptor crews shoot down more targets. Fewer actually make it through to us.
Is there some healthy rivalry in that?
A little bit, yeah. But thank God it gets shot down, whether by them or by us. What matters is that it doesn't fall on people's heads. The more targets get destroyed, the fewer of them make it to our cities and to our guys.